guys, it's Tanya here, and I am doing some research for the upcoming Rise, Pray, Grind Tour workshop. So here's the deal. I was very particular about the type of beverages I wanted to have available for the attendees. And of course, you know, water is always the go-to thing, you know, drink water and live. So I decided I wanted to get this really, to me, really special, cool bottle of water, and here it is. It is the Voss water. Now, I don't know if you guys have ever had this water, but this particular one is going to be for my VIP attendees, and they have several different flavors. This one is tangerine with lemongrass. The bottle is absolutely amazing to me. And I just believe that first impressions are a lasting impression. And I really wanted to give you guys something that you could, you know, take home with you after the event. And I know what you're thinking, like, who is concerned about a bottle of water? But let me tell you something. If you're putting on any type of an event, you better believe and you better know that people are critical about everything they're spending their money on. I don't care if it's $1 or the $50 that this particular workshop costs. We are critical people. So what I did was I bought a few samples of the different flavors, and I am going to taste this one for the very first time right here live for you guys. Or I guess it's not really live, it's recorded. But I'm going to tell you my honest review. So here we go. It's not bad. I actually like it. And you know what? It smells really good too. So I can smell the orange tangerine type scent coming out. And the water has a really good refreshing taste as it's going down. Yes, and it has actually the right amount of fizz or burn, whatever you want to call it. Here's the thing. I don't drink soda anymore, but I found that sparkling water is an amazing replacement. But that has nothing to do with the workshop that's coming up. If you guys don't have your ticket, you are going to miss out on some information that really will change the nature of how you do business. So go ahead, grab your VIP ticket. They're only $97 right now, and you get a free copy of the Boss Up Your Business Credit Guide, and you get this awesome bottle of Voss sparkling water. So visit us at www.risepraygrindtour.com and snatch up your ticket right now. Don't get left behind, and let's get these businesses growing and moving fast. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next time. Days of love.